Diversity to today's project, we're going to be working with enhancing your battery operated toothbrush here to make it operate from another battery source than the normal AA battery. So we'll just take a simple battery operated toothbrush, open it up. Let's take the bottom off there, open it up, and we got two places here, two contacts where the battery goes, negative and positive there. So I'm going to just take and drill a couple of holes on each side here, one on this side and one on this side, really close to the contacts as possible, so we can insert a wire through there. So let's get that out the way. Just take a drill, fairly small bit. Let's see if that's going to be enough. You have to come up one more. Looks a little better. That's okay. Let's try the other side here. Yeah, to come up a little higher. Now, setting that aside, I'm going to take in some wire. This, by the way, is just a speaker wire, no heavy duty wire for this, and just measure it and see how long you might want to have it from the battery to your mouth. Just twist it with your fingers, like that. This one's having a hard time twisting. Just so it doesn't come on line. I'm going to take and just insert it. It's a very easy project to do. Just going to make this flat enough. We're going to go to the side here. And I'll take the top hole. Just press through. Okay, I got it through the hole. Now let's insert that to the back. Make sure the other end is trimmed off. Trim the other end. So you can see it's working. So how are we going to end this? Well, you don't want too much power on it, just enough. You don't want to knock your tooth out your mouth. So I'm just going to get another source. So what we're going to do next, now that we know it has contact, remove the wires again. Now, you can still use your batteries, your AAA batteries, just a matter of putting them in your tray and connect it back. Connected it back. Still use your AAA batteries, but if for whatever reason you don't have any batteries, or your battery is running low and you want to switch to another source, power source, this is why I have designed this. The other power source is going to be some D batteries. Just going to take I would have to stick together. This one, we do it. 1 inch, 1.5. I have a 1.5 inch piece of PVC. Just get you a pipe. If you have some laying around, just take a saw and cut cut you a piece off there. That's enough to cover for these two batteries there. Enough to cover these batteries. Look, not that long. 2D battery. I'm going to take the batteries and stick them inside the PVC. Like that. They're not moving around, so I got my battery, got my power source. I'll take the other end of the wire. We'll take some clear tape first. I'm going to do that. Just simply going to set the wire on top of the positive. Just tape it down. This is going to be permanent until you just want to change batteries or something. So this can stay here. Just do the back side. Take that off. Before you finish taping, make sure it comes on. It does. Now we're just simply going to take, and just to make this look a little more neater, just going to take and wrap the whole pole long ways, like this. Kind of neat. Well, that's what I was trying to look for. So we got our power supply ready to go for our toothbrush. Now we can take and cut these wires here, because we don't want to have this permanent. Only when we're having an issue with power, so just going to cut these two wires off. Just like that. If you want to take this a step further, you can take your cheap alligator clips here, and just cut it in half. Trim the edges. Insulation off the tips. And just screw that onto your battery pack. Just slides right. Just open the mouth up and just slide it through. And you're ready to go. The rest is true. Enhancing your battery operated toothbrush to operate off of another power source. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.